Hello my dear friends, welcome to CodeWithSravan YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to code for a printing pattern, as shown here. The input format contains an integer n in a single line. And the value of n should be greater than 1. Also, you can see the sample inputs and outputs given here. So, let's start writing the code. You can see that we are getting valid outputs as given. Comment down your thoughts, queries, and the efficient code if you can optimize. Thanks for watching. If you like our efforts, subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends.